Ever wondered how to code? Or perhaps you've considered diving into the vast ocean of software engineering? Welcome to HowToCodeUX, your one-stop destination for all things coding. We're here to simplify the complex world of software engineering, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone, even if your first language is German. We believe in starting from the basics, laying a solid foundation before we gradually climb the ladder of complexity. Our mission is to explore the diverse disciplines in software engineering that have emerged due to the rapid advancements in technology. From front-end to back-end, from databases to design, we've got it all covered. So whether you're a seasoned programmer looking to broaden your horizons, or a coding novice eager to dip your toes in the software engineering waters, there's something here for everyone. This journey won't be a sprint, but a marathon, filled with learning, growing, and the excitement of discovery. Imagine a world where you can create, innovate, and problem-solve using just your computer. Welcome to the realm of coding, a landscape where your ideas can breathe, grow, and come to life. Coding isn't just about lines of text on a screen, it's about transforming your thoughts into tangible solutions, about breaking down complex problems into manageable chunks. From the simplest of apps to the most intricate of software systems, coding is the backbone of our digital world. It's the behind-the-scenes magic that powers our daily lives. And the beauty of it is, anyone can learn to wield this magic. Regardless of your background, your prior knowledge, or your age, coding is a skill you can acquire. It's a language you can learn. And this language isn't just about communication. It's about innovation. It's about contributing to the wave of technological advancements that continue to shape our world. Coding isn't merely a skill. It's a language that opens doors to unlimited possibilities. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey? Here at HowToCodeUX, we're not just offering video tutorials. We are crafting a community, a place where curiosity meets knowledge, where questions trigger discussions, and where shared experiences foster growth. We invite you to be an active participant in this journey, to bring your questions, your aha moments, your struggles, and victories. Every new concept, every line of code, every bug fixed is a step forward on this exhilarating path. We'll start at the beginning and work our way up, unraveling the mysteries of coding, exploring the diverse disciplines of software engineering, and delving into the advancements that have shaped the tech world. So gear up, subscribe, and prepare to dive into the world of coding with us. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but together we can make it a fun and rewarding journey.